Hey everybody, ModelMan here with the elevator shaft, it looks like. Yes indeed. I spent an hour or two going over references for this particular area, and it definitely took a while. So originally I had 2 yellows, an orange, 2 darks, 1 green, 2 darks, and a dark up here. This I found out was red. Then we got a double orange, a double green, which makes sense. This could be blue, more probably it's completely off. Every time you see these 2 sections, totally off. There's also a little bit of a diagram around the top of this one here as well. Oh, sorry, below. It's that line, this long line, and then that line there done in white. I think it was white, maybe it was black. I forget the color of it now. And apparently I was going to write some notes on the back side, but did not. So what I'm doing now is finding the control panel for the elevator. I don't quite see it offhand anywhere, so we'll take a look around for that. I'll fiber it up. I'm going to fiber even these dark ones as well, because maybe I'll find out what they are in the future, maybe not, but I'll at least have them. So I'm going to need a steady green and an orange, double yellows. The green and the red are either on or off depending. Sometimes when the elevator is working, ascending or descending, the green is on, sometimes the red is on, neither at the same time. I don't know which one I'll be doing. Maybe I'll just light them both up, what the heck. I've seen a couple shots where that happened as well. And up above the stairwell, it does look like there's a light up there, but once this is all together, I'll figure it out. If I do put one, it'll be very dim and pretty much dead above center. And with this, I'll be able to cross this thing off. I found the little elevator guy. It turns out that there is no spot for red and blue at the top, so I'm going to drill my own. There's an idea. Put a little dent in the plastic first. That will help keep the drill bit in place. Over time, I've bloomed fiber optics a few different ways, and I think as of now, the best that I like is using a soldering iron. One of the nice things is you can even make it somewhat directional by melting one side more than the other. Gives a nice clean edge and a nice clean light as well. Far more so than either razor blades, candles, lighters, matches, any kind of flame. Don't know if there's really many other ways to go about doing it. I had thought that this was just going to be a test fit of the fiber optics and the control panel here, but it turns out they fit perfectly, properly. I managed to the fibers are under perfect control down here, and it turns out the pressure from those just pulling from the back snaps that piece into place really nicely. So now it's just going to be a matter of mapping out the colors, and unfortunately that means taking one fiber optic, putting it in place, flipping it over, taking a look. It's third from the bottom, which is blank in this case. Let's see where this one goes. This is the very top one, which is red. And as I don't have a steady red on now. I went and put it in a flashing one. Let's see where this guy is. Oh. Looks like top row, which would be yellow. So we'll take our yellow test out, put that on orange. This is going to get difficult. And I just found the green. So you can probably see that this is a fairly slow and tedious process. That's the very bottom, which is no light. Top row yellow, second row orange. So we have our actual orange now. Let's make sure of that. Yep, second row. And we have another bottom. Let's make sure that's correct. Indeed, yes, bottom. How we doing here? Well, so far we got 2 of them. That's certainly a start. And now to start over. That looks like second row. So we'll throw that on orange. And yeah. That was orange, right? Second to the bottom row is green. Top row yellow. Call this one another flashing green. Alright, so what I should be doing here actually is putting a label on each one of these guys, indicating what color it is, because this is going crazy. Time to start over.